Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how on Instagram how to hide following list. So let's head over to our Instagram application. So once you're there, just head over to your profile by tapping your profile icon on the lower right corner and then go to the three lines on the top right and then tap on account center, or you can scroll down and go to privacy. Now, as you can see, when your account is private, only the followers that you approve can see what you share, including your photos or videos on hashtag and location pages and your followers and following lists. So we need to turn on our private account settings. So once you turn it on, your following list will be hidden. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.